Hi, everyone. So I'm going to talk about a Shiny dashboard that I have here on horror film ratings. And we can see we have the data set linked here. The horror films are between 2012 to 2017, and we have a list of the pages and an image of a very popular horror film from 2012 to 2017. So if we look at an overview of our data, this tab gives us links to the data and the data sets. We have 3,328 horror films in this data set, and we can look at a glimpse into the data and show a certain amount of the entries if we're interested. We can then dive more into the different covariates involved in our data set. So we have review rating, just a histogram of the distribution, and we can change the year that we're interested in. So for example, we can switch to 2017. We can also change the number of bins that we have to kind of change the way we're viewing our distribution here. We can also dive into genres. We see that every film was classified as horror, but several were also classified as thriller, drama, comedy, mystery, etc. We can also look at the relationship between runtime and different factors. So this is the distribution based on movie rating. We can see the distribution based on country and the distribution based on year. We also can look at a minimum budget and see our top budget films. So we can see World War Z has a very high budget, and there's 16 movies that have a budget that was at least $50 million. So you can kind of scroll through these and learn more about them. And then finally, we have a regression tree here where we tried to predict the review rating, and based on several factors listed here, we can overall see that movie runtime and release year were involved in this prediction. But if you look on the right-hand side with our MSE, we had pretty high error considering that our rating was out of 10. But that's an overview of this dashboard. You can kind of dive in and learn more about these horror films and see what you think.